So hi friends, let's see the installation of MPLAB IDE to deal with PIC microcontroller families. So whereas the most popular IDE for firmware development, which helpful to write programs for PIC families and to create your executable file, and you can debug your outputs by using this MPLAB IDE. So you can download this MPLAB IDE from free resource. If anyone is looking, I can share the link. So this is your complete folder. So whereas for MPLAB IDE, you need to add another toolshoot based on series of families, PIC 16, PIC 12, PIC 20, PIC 14. So there are different categories of PIC families. But anyway, you need to install IDE. For advanced versions, there is MPLAB X for advanced families. But up to 18 series, you can work with this IDE. So this is your MPLAB setup. You can start. So you can click on next and you need to accept the license of this. So I'm looking for complete installation of this MPLAB IDE. You can select complete option and click on next, 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 and which clearly tells us for what generations it will support. There are different versions of this MPLABs. You can run with any version. There is no issue. And this is specially designed for only PIC families, not for any other manufacturers like Atmel, Philips. There is no other controllers allowed in this setup. So this meant for only PIC family controllers. The important thing with this MPLAB IDE is you need to add toolshoot for this. Based on series of controllers, you can select this toolshoot, so which allows different generations. If you are working with this 16-bit families, so you can add CCS compiler and you need to highlight this high-tech IDE environmental path. You can click on next. So once you minimize this, you may get icon from desktop, which is MPLAB IDE. So this IDE, which supports for all different families, whether toolshoot is installed or not, you can cross check. Just select on project tab and choose option project wizard and click on next, and you can choose your own microcontroller from PIC family, maybe 16, maybe 18, maybe 12 series, any series device which supports. And there you will get tool shoots. If this tool shoot is installed, then you will get like this. Suppose any tool shoot is not installed, suppose I am just selecting CCS compiler for other thing, then so you'll get this cross mark, so that you have to add this compiler with your IDE. So these compilers are available individually. Now I'm working with this high-tech PIC toolshoot. Just select your toolshoot, which means which compiler you are trying to select, and click on next, and you can create your own project. So any sample I'm giving, click on save, give the project name and click on save, and next, finish. So this is how you can select your target for PIC microcontroller families. So if you want to start writing program on this IDE, go file tab and choose option new, and you can type your own program. So I'm just writing 2 lines program for compilation checking. So anyway, you should know the register name should be in uppercase in embedded C. So I'm just using configuration register TRIS and IO ports some value. Now after writing your program on text editor, go file tab and choose option save. So I'm giving just program name as sample.c. So if you are looking to compile this program, just select source files and right click and choose the option add files, and select your program and open it, so that you will get sample.c file on source files. And then for compilation, go project tab and choose the option build all. So if any errors and warnings present in this program, it will show you. If build successful, it will show you successful of this program. So like this, you can write program and you can compile program with this MPLAB IDE. It will create your executable file finally. Thanks for watching.